What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Ilmberger carbon fiber undertail on my Gen 3 S1000Rr. We also got the little carbon fiber piece that goes over the tail light, as well as a new tail light we're going to be putting on. The little carbon fiber piece that replaces the stock undertail, that little delete plate, that also came in, so I got to go grab that from the mail. I just got word that the belly pan should be here within the next few days, so we'll make a video on that too. So I'm really excited to see how the undertail is going to look. I had the same setup on my red bike. So let's get right into the install. I gotta undo these two bolts, looks like T25s, and then take this piece off, do the carbon fiber piece. Piece that goes above the tail light as well. Let's unbox the new tail light now. Here it is. Here it is, guys. TST Industries taillight. So the shape of this is a little bit controversial. A lot of people prefer the stock taillights on these bikes, at least the shape of the stock ones, because they look kind of like an M. There's like two sharp points instead of one sharp point like this one. But the thing I like about these is that when they're lit up, they got a nice profile from the back. Like there's like an outline here. That definitely looks better than the stock light. They make them in two different colors. There's like a clear version and then this dark smoke. I feel like the dark smoke's gonna go with my bike a little bit better. I've probably had like 3 or 4 different taillights on these bikes, and this is by far my favorite. It's programmable as well, all plug and play. With the Ilmberger Carbon undertail, it's a little bit different than the stock undertail as far as the tail light. It doesn't have anything to clip into here, but it's really not necessary because the bolts hold it in anyway. This wire right here comes from the tail light. You're going to plug it into this other adapter you get. So one end goes into the tail light, the other end goes into the bike's harness. Just all plug and play. See if it works. It looks better than it did on the red bike, honestly. Got the little Undertail piece. The weave actually looks pretty good on this. This isn't Ilmberger because Ilmberger doesn't make them. I ordered the OEM BMW badge, the roundel that goes here. That should be here within the next 3 weeks. So that'll finish up the rear end at least. That'll finalize that. I didn't want to do the OEM BMW black piece that goes here because it doesn't really match all the carbon. This definitely looks a lot better. Alright guys, this is what it looks like so far. I took those little metal pieces back out. I think it's going to be cleaner without them. If I were keeping the stock Undertail, I would definitely reuse these. Overall, so far, I'm pleased with how this looks. Looks freaking amazing. Probably my favorite part of the bike so far. I only put 2 bolts in because this one's a little bit too long. I think I'm going to order all new bolts, maybe in black or titanium. So I got 2 holding it in for now. So I personally like this one the best, so when you hit the brakes it flashes a few times and it's solid. That way it grabs the attention of the person behind you. This mode flashes constantly when you hit the brakes. Which is kind of cool. You got the turn signals. This does look better in person. The camera kind of has a tough time picking up on the LEDs. Like it looks all distorted and stuff. Alright, so I'm all done with the install. Overall, I'm more than pleased with it. I think it's a really nice touch on the bike. Got a few more bits and pieces to install, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.